Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Savrambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. In the Argentine city of Cordoba, there is a center where poor and vulnerable people in need of palliative care are received. It is a Casa de la Bondad, House of Goodness, an organization of the Manos Abiertas Foundation, which tenderly cares for these people, trying to ease their pain so that they can live in peace. For this center, last July 17, Blessed Artemides Zatti was chosen as patron. The initiative to choose Artemides Zatti as patron of the Casa de la Bondad was promoted by the same people who animate this important service in the world of health. The Manos Abiertas Foundation was born in 1992 with a group of volunteers led by Jesuit Father Angel Rossi, now Archbishop of Cordoba. Currently, they work in 11 Argentine cities and are dedicated to providing a concrete response to those who are alone facing vulnerable situations. In June 10th, incubators made by students and teachers from Salesian vocational training centers in Spain were delivered to the cluster SOS Ukraine platform in Navarre to be donated to Ukrainian hospitals. Currently, as of July, 4 of these special cribs have already been deployed in hospitals in Kiev and Mykolaiv, while the others will arrive later this month. Ukrainian doctors are already using these devices, and they especially appreciate the possibility of using the phototherapy technique. Students from 8 Salesian VTCs in Spain were commissioned to build these incubators designed by the NGO Medicina Abierta al Mundo. It was a pleasure for us to work on the construction of these incubators for premature babies. We learned to work with the new materials, plus we feel useful, the young students said when they delivered the cribs. Don Bosco students are always smart in everything and everywhere. Gambela is a small region in the southwest of Ethiopia with a population of less than 500,000 people, and the inhabitants of this region are belonging to several tribal groups, of which the Agnuak and Nuer are the majority. The Salesians of Don Bosco has been functioning for more than 20 years in the region. Don Bosco Catholic School is a well-known school of the region which caters to more than 800 students from grade 1 up to grade 10 and has a good name in the region for providing quality education through quality management, quality teachers and quality infrastructure. The Green Club has been in function for more than 3 years, but of late has taken very active role in conscientizing the people about the need of a healthy environment to live in. The trainees of the Salesian Province St. Dominic Xavier of Manua's MBA gathered on July 13 till 15 for the meeting on reflecting on the Salesians' ongoing formation. In the opening of the meeting, Father Jefferson Lewis, MBA Provincial, reflected with the trainees on dialogue about the experience of the traineeship and the personal life project. The theme prompted the sharing of the Salesians' life and activity in the internship stage. In the afternoon, Father Josu Nascimento worked on the theme, the need for continuing formation. The internship is a stage, but Salesian formation is continuous, ongoing, facing the challenges of religious life. From 14 to 16th of July, the 70 members of the Salesian Cooperators of Thailand participated in the spiritual recollection and the annual general meeting under the theme, Follow Me. Father Nifan Sarachit animated this event held at the Salesian Retreat House, Hua Hin, Prachuap Khiri Khan. Throughout 3 days of serious moments with God, all the members meditated on being a disciple of Jesus in the style of the Salesian Cooperator. They had powerful moments of devotion, including the reception of the Sacrament of Reconciliation, participation in the Holy Eucharist, adoration and benediction of the Blessed Sacrament, praying the Holy Rosary and the Way of the Cross. The annual spiritual renewal was also an occasion for a fraternal meeting with the other members, encouraging and intensifying the bonds among them. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.